For math videos, please subscribe and hit the bell icon right now.
Okay, so today we are going to learn about chapter number 3. The main topic today we are discussing is median. Median is nothing but the central tendency. For example, the range is given from 0 to 100. The midpoint is 50. So this is the middle point and that is known as median. Now let us see how to solve the example. Median is equal to L plus N upon 2 minus CF upon F multiplied by N. Let us see one by one what is L. L is the lower boundary point. N by 2 is the total number divided by 2, total number of observation divided by 2. CF is the cumulative frequency. F is the frequency of that median class. N, that is the C, the class length of that particular class. We have one example over here. We will represent this whole example into a tabular form. So it is 0 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 12, 12 to 20, 20 to 28, and 28 to 36. Here, as you can see that there are different gaps, the different class length. Here it is 4, 4, 8, 8, 8, and 8. Don't worry about it. The frequency given over here is 6, 14, 31, 35, 28, and 16. This is the frequency. Now we have cumulative frequency. 6 will be here. 6 plus 14, that is 20. 20 plus 31, that is 51. 51 plus 35. 51 plus 35, that is 86. 86 plus 28, that is 114. 114 plus 16, that is 130. So here we can see that the total sigma f is equal to n is equal to 130. इसका total करेंगे तो हमको 130 मिलेगा. So n is equal to 130. N by 2 is equal to 65. This 65 comes where? Where does n by 2 come? So n by 2 is located just between this class. So we have to take the class which is after that. This is known as median class. (12 to 20) has class length 8. 8 का गैप है तो वो ही कंसीडर करेंगे. Lower boundary point is L. 20. This is upper boundary point. This is lower boundary point. So L is equal to 12. This is the frequency. उसी मीडियन क्लास में जो फ्रीक्वेंसी होती है उसे हम लेंगे फ्रीक्वेंसी इज इक्वल टू 35. मीडियन क्लास के ऊपर वाले कॉलम में देखना है CF, तो दिस इज 51. सो CF इज इक्वल टू 51. We have the formula median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F multiplied by class length. We have got all the values. In the side over here, you write down all the values, that L is equal to 12, n by 2 is equal to 65. We take from this CF is equal to 51, F is equal to 35, and class length is equal to 8. Make sure that when you take the median class, you have to take the class length of that particular class only. ऊपर नीचे नहीं देखना है, उसी का देखना है. So these are the 5 things. 5 things: L, n by 2, CF, F, and class length. And then we put that all the values into this formula. So this is equal to L, that is 12, plus n by 2, that is 65, minus CF 51 upon F, that is 35, multiplied by 8. Usually students make a very big mistake solving 12 and 35. Don't do like this. First put all the values into the formulas. After putting all the values into the formulas, solve the first bracket on the top. So the second step will be 12 plus 65 minus 51, that is 14 upon 35, multiplied by 8. This is totally a different bracket. What we'll be doing, 7 2s are 7 5s are. Now when you do the calculation, at that moment you have 12 plus 2 8s are 16, 16 upon 5, that is equal to 12, plus when you divide 16 upon 5, 16 divided by 5, you get 3.2. When you add 3.2 with 12, the answer will be 15.2. So this is the way we are going to solve the median for group data.